Hey guys, so today we will talk about this latest web series on Netflix of Swara Bhaskar, Bhag Bini Bhag, which is actually not so related with the title. In this, there's a girl called Bini Bhatnagar who do what her parents want, and also she like to do stand-up comedy, which is an important thing in her life, neither for her parents nor for her boyfriend. But everything seems to perfect. There is no say of Bini in all this. I mean, obviously she is very happy with the rich Punjabi boyfriend, but until this day, when her boyfriend suddenly proposed her and accept her, everybody was happy. I mean, she was happy, but it was all going so fast. So everything was going nice on her Roka ceremony, but Binny was not ready for this. And when her boyfriend showed their new flat, Binny panicked and ran from there. But disaster list does not end here. Other disaster happened when her comedy show, for which she left everything, was failure. And in her frustration, she also yelled on her boss and resigned from her job. Now she has no job, no boyfriend, failed in stand-up comedy, and now icing on the top, her parents, especially her dad, is very angry from her. So after creating all this mess, she end up on the couch of her bestie, who is always supportive to Binny. After all this mess created by Minnie, she was all failing in her comedy one by one. Finally, she found a path, so day by day, she started rising. And yes, there's another guy who also a comedian, Ravi, who is an NRI, and one time Minnie made him fool and took his spot. So that's how they met, and after that, they become friends. So one day, when Minnie was messed in her own chaos, Ravi took her for day off, and after a while, they had a moment. So here starts the Minnie 2.0. Now she is stylish, bold, and doesn't care about what people will think. Ravi and Minnie do stand-up comedy in same cafe and places. One day after stand-up, they went to some one play party where they had drinks. After that, they had sex, and now obviously they are a thing. But in next show, when Ravi was performing, Minnie saw his ex-wife messages from which she found that Ravi was the one who cheated on his wife, because Ravi always say in his performance that his wife cheated on him. She felt like used and like other women in a married man life, but this betrayal and frustration helped her in her performance, which was actually a hit. But here I didn't get one thing, that the story with the Ravi was started and ended very soon. With all this was happening, many parents took her advice and went to therapists, where they realized maybe because of generation gap they are not understanding Binny's choices. So with full enthusiasm they finally set to watch her show. But oops, they watched that in which she told about being physical and breakup. So again she messed up, and this time it was bigger, because her parents disowned her. So after being disowned by her parents and breakup thing, she was full in Devdas mode when Kapi told about the offer to do stand-up comedy in some girl wedding. And guess who met there? Her ex-fiance Arun and his new girlfriend. Vinny was full shocked to see that the new avatar of his ex-fiance, and always where beneath the disaster list is little wrong. But after being seen this new avatar thing, the couple on whose wedding she has to perform ask her to not pick certain topics which were actually the whole script of her performance. So she has changed the script, which were actually went pretty well and loved by everyone, and it was all hit. There she got booking for college tour, but when her parents come to know that about the ex fiance meet, they started to call people to know more. But instead, they found that everybody is praising Binny. On other side, Binny started to fall again for her ex, so he forced her to patch up from her parents. And when he dropped there, they kissed, and her parents also started talking to her. They kind of patch up. So before leaving for tour, Binny thought to talk with her ex-fiance, but when she about to talk, she stopped because she didn't want any restriction on her stand-up comedy career. And in the end, college tour was also great and hit. I like the series. There are some loops in middle, some were boring, but in whole entertaining. So go watch